everyone, it's Shomili. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make these DIY foam stickers. So let's get into the video.
The materials you will be needing: paper, ruler, pen, scotch tape and scissors, which you can find very easily in your home. First, you have to draw any design you want. When you are done with drawing your designs, you have to cut it with the help of scissors. Now you have to stick the stickers with scotch tape on the back of your phone. So this is how it looks when it's done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.